Here we go. Time is it, Caden? It's another day and another dollar. Like clockwork. Money comes in, money goes out. Can't stop the way the money goes, but we coming out here to Mountain Creek right now. I got the old beast down here. Look at her. She's still holding together at 198,207 miles. Best $500 I ever spent. Look how pretty that sky is today on camera. Can't tell me it ain't beautiful. I know some of y'all people, y'all don't get the luxury of it looking like it does here in North Carolina. Just to make y'all a little jealous. Let's slow this down a little bit. Let's show y'all. Look at this. Man, why would you ever want to live in a big old city? Nikki hates the way cow poop smells, but you know what? I think it smells like money. It don't bother me. Take me a big old whiff of it. Look how beautiful that sky is. See, only in the Carolinas it looks like this. Look. Look like a Bob Ross painting up on here. Look at that. Tell me that ain't beautiful. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Look at that. What do you think about that? Oh, but it's beautiful. We out here at Mountain Creek. We're gonna go out here and get some laps in today. See how it's gonna do. They're paying out $100 to win Caden's class, so it's making him hungry. He back there starving right now. Look at him sucking down that drink. That boy's starving. He hungry. He wants him a win. He's gonna try for it. Please stay tuned. Also, while we sitting here waiting in traffic, waiting to get in the racetrack, so I got two different YouTube apps. My first app, it usually tells me stuff really fast, and I click on. That's how I keep my app folder cleared out, so that way I can. That's how I stay on top of myself, so I can respond to everybody. And typically, like if somebody comments, it'll pop up in there. But if you delete the comment before I get to it, then normally I got another YouTube, it'll pop up on there and let me read it. Well, there was a dude this morning, I got on there, I don't know who the guy was. I ain't never seen him before, but he said, I subscribed to this clown and it said something, so I'm trying to read it. He done deleted it. So I've been looking all day in my other folder hoping it will pop up so I can at least read it. I enjoy the comments. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like y'all having conversation with each other in my comment section. I like that I draw out opinion. If you think I'm a clown, I am cool with that. You see this guy right here? Do you think this guy right here? Do you think this guy right here? Look at it, look at it, look at him back here, look at him. Waving for the YouTube. Do you think this guy right here really cares what people think about him? By the way I walk and the way I talk and the way I am, it don't matter to me. But if you gonna post something, be a man about it and post it. I ain't gonna sit there and argue with you. I ain't no little kid. So if you think I'm a clown, comment I'm a clown below. It don't bother to me. Like y'all might be another little Ford boy. Look, Brandon's a Ford boy. Look, he can't help it. So that's the way it is. Some people make bad decisions in their life. They drive Fords. We do drive a Dodge product right now. Well, we're gonna call it a Jeep. But anyways, like I said, if you post something, just leave it. If you don't turn around and even if you do it wrong, go back and edit it a little bit and straighten it up. But don't delete your comment. Just leave it in there. It don't even matter what. Even if I'm sitting there if I'm saying something, like sometimes I do the same thing when I watch people's videos. I constantly comment as it goes through the video. Yeah. Like even if I answer your question, just leave your question there. Like leave it there. I'll still come over and talk to you. Ain't no problem. Out. All right. Appreciate you.
Straightened out. Aiden,
put your shoe up on there.
Tell me about them new shoes.
Look at that. By the time mine got wore out, I finally get them back from Caden.
How'd you get those shoes, Caden?
I got second in points last year.
Yeah. So the track bought them for you, didn't they? Yeah. Pretty cool.
For first year racing, heck yeah.
I like them.
I do too. I love them. They fit comfy and all. Don't the best outfit too well.
No, they look good. Look at that new shirt you got on.
We're fine with that.
Let me see the back of that shirt. It matches your shirt just fine.
We'll buy one.
don't want the scales in your way. your road. You guys be the same. You're going straight.
Alright guys, well, we're leaving Mountain Creek out here. As you can tell from the video, I secured the rear. Literally this time, I actually went through and finished dead last in the heavy. I started out with good lap times. I was running 12.3, so I was competitive on it. So then I decided to change the gear on it. I geared it up, it went slower. I also added air pressure. I never add air pressure. I usually run them a lot less. So I go through and add air pressure. Well, it was slow. So I decided to gear it down. Gear it down, felt like it was faster, but it was slower by a lot, by freaking 3/10 slower. So then for the main, I decided for the main in medium, I'm way too heavy for medium, but I was like, you know what? I said I'm gonna just try changing just the air pressure alone to see what it does, see how the kart does. So I changed air pressure, but then I also said, well, I'm gonna pull some camera because I had a lot of bite in the steering tonight, and I felt like maybe I was turning too hard into it, binding the kart down. So I was like, well, maybe I'll take a little bite out of the steering. It'll loosen the front of the kart up a little bit, and I won't be turning so hard, and I'll be faster. Well, that was a fail. Letting the air pressure out, picked it up. It was good. But going into a curve, it wouldn't turn. So I was chopping the wheel the whole time. I'm wore out, my arms are dead. I was chopping the wheel like I was driving a late model, back and forth, because I messed up. Caden, we took his kart, messed up on the gear on it. So he ended up, he wound up, in the heat race, he wound up second. But, well, he thought he was second. Until the last lap, he thought it was a lap early, and he let off the gas and got passed by Addy. So he ended up getting third in it. So then coming up onto the main, it was a cluster. It was a cluster. Banging each other, cautions, restarts. Caden got spun out twice. It was a freaking cluster. So beat and bang the crap out of the go-kart. So we got to check over it, check everything. We broke the side panel on it a little bit, but not terrible. Not bad enough that we're going to replace the body on it. But we took a beating out there tonight, but that's part of racing. I'm still a better drag racer than I am a round track racer. I used to be pretty good at go-kart racing. Not so much. I'm struggling. We're getting there. I still outrun Derek Reynolds on a go-kart. Anytime Derek Reynolds, you want to meet me on a go-kart track, I will still be your daddy at that too. That tsunami, freaking sausage eater. Anytime you want to meet me at the go-kart track, I got something for you too. I'll take that little tidal wave, turn it into a ripple, as one of the guys said. Alright guys, well, anyway, I'm gonna stop messing with you. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you later. Thank you. Thatch's Gap.